Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to fetch the tags of the custom post type. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have the code. So for the taxonomies for the post tag, in the taxonomy you need to pass the array post tag, which we have already done. The taxonomies post tag. So when you have the custom post type, you need to pass the taxonomies with the post tag if you want to visible into your custom post type. Okay, next thing is how to get that one. This is the code for getting all the tags we have. So let's add this and check. We have a single material, so we are going to add before this one. Okay, so here we have this one. Let's view what drop this. Okay, so it basically tags, and this is the link for the tag and tag name. Okay, save this, upload this file, and try to check the tags are coming or not. So let's add some of the tags into our WordPress post, any of the post. So let's check this. Let's add the tags over here. Okay, first tag. So the tags are there, so I'm going to remove these tags. Test1, test2, test3, test4, test5. Okay, let's save this. Date. Let's check this post. So here you can see that text1, test2, test3, test4, test5, all the tags are coming over here. So this is how you can fetch the tags into your WordPress single post type. Okay, so I have already told about how to add the custom post tags and how to fetch that post tags. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video we are going to fetch all the categories we have created in the custom post type. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.